Bitcoin correction went on minus 12%. Brazilian central bank promises instant payment platform to compete with crypto. XRP price may face 25% drop if recent high breaks down. Peter Brand. Crypto wallet vows to offer BTC withdrawals to credit cards. With all that said, welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's episode, we're going to discuss about recent pullback of the Bitcoin price, which is totally normal from my side, and also we're going to read and connect some news with the price, also what is going to happen in the future with the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space in general. And now let's begin. So standing here on Coinbase chart, we can see that the Bitcoin in the past 3 days had some volatility happening onto the charts. First, we bounced back from 20 EMA. After that, we retested this big trend line over here that we had of resistance, as I mentioned in the previous videos. And now we did neatly rejected from this as a resistance, which is pretty okay for now since we dropped below this trend line. And after that, we are consolidating around 20 exponential moving average, trying to retest it over here and regain the power for the new rally over here. Now, this is nothing special and nothing new and nothing bad on the Bitcoin charts over here, because pullback is still ongoing and we just need to see when the Bitcoin will start correcting. Now, one very interesting stuff that you need to understand here is the 4-hourly chart on the Bitcoin technical analysis. Why I'm mentioning this chart is also because one of the high time frames and the many traders are trading by the 4-hourly chart. If we bring 4 EMAs, we can see that the Bitcoin retested 204 hourly exponential moving average over here. We bounced pretty well from this 200 exponential moving average. This is also very good to see this corrective move, because bears are taking the profits and letting the bulls after that to push the price on the way to the upside. Why am I saying this? Because if we switch on the 1 daily chart, this chart is looking pretty healthy over here since we bottomed out with this round bottom over here. We are constantly making higher low over here, and we constantly have some sort of a pullbacks also over here, which means that the bulls are letting the bears taking the profits so they can let them to push the price even higher. I don't see the problem why many people are panicking on the Twitter, on the Instagram, on the many other social media about Bitcoin, because on the charts for now everything looks pretty great. Now, one very interesting thing that you can see here on the chart. The Bitcoin has been building this market structure over here in 2019 for about 5 to 6, 7 months or so. And now look what happened. We broke over here. We were consolidating into this bearish correction move over here. And after that, we reclaimed this market structure. As you can see, we were trading above it, and we are trading above it. What happened actually is that we are retesting this market structure. So yeah, nothing to be worried about. As we can see and get back on the market structure over here, Bitcoin has been dropping from this week over here all the way down to this week in just few days. So if we measure over here, we can see drop in 7 days 30% in order to retest this level of support, because orders are also over here. So make sure you observe this. Do not panic instantly. You can see that we are just retesting this level of structure as we did over here, here and over here. So nothing to be worried about. Now, switching on the news, Brazilian central bank promises instant payment platform to compete with crypto. Pix designed in response to cryptocurrency. The Central Bank of Brazil has announced a plan to launch a new near instant payment system during the November. So what they actually want is to have, I don't know, some sort of a Brazilian currency that will be fast, transparent, secure, and whatever. Now, there is a little bit problem with all of this, because cryptocurrency are something else and real money is also something else, because cannot compete with the crypto, because crypto has some other goals comparing with the fiat money. Why am I saying this? Is because fiat money is controlled by governments, by central banks, and the cryptocurrency are not, especially if we discuss about the Bitcoin, which is totally decentralized. Just think about who will pick something centralized as this digital currency or whatever they are going to make over the Bitcoin, which is going into the value in the past 10 years or so as the best asset, best currency. Also, if we discussed about decentralization, of course, and if we discussed about transparency and freedom that the Bitcoin is offering against this fiat money. So yeah, whatever the central banks want to make, whether it is a digital currency, digital money, whatever, it is centralized. That's the biggest problem, their centralization, and people don't like the centralization. Everybody wants to have its own freedom, so this is the biggest problem. Whatever they want to make over here, it's totally not comparable with the Bitcoin use case. Switching on to one more news, XRP price may face 25% drop if recent high breaks down. Peter Brand. It will be interesting to see if the head and shoulders stop plays out. If so, the target would be 2071. Okay, one of the problem with all of these predictions, I understand they are professionals and everything, and I'm not, but look, if you're in doubt, just zoom out. If we switch on one weekly chart, do you really think that some sort of a head and shoulders, wherever he saw that sort of a pattern would play out over here over the trend? So never trade against the trade. This prediction is against the trade. This is not so good, because if the Bitcoin would break this 20 exponential moving average and do some sort of a stuff, then we would have a big problem with the whole trend, and we would have some sort of a trend reversal into the bearish side. This is the reason why this prediction is not so good, because he's going against the trade. He's practically saying about 40% drop in the XRP price, or in the Bitcoin price approximately somewhere 20 or even more percent. I don't think this is possible. Of course, we could drop even a little bit further to test 20 exponential moving average on weekly chart, but I even don't think that will happen. So that's the problem with those sort of predictions. Do not listen and take for granted all of these predictions and FUD towards the XRP or any other coin, Bitcoin, whatever. And finally, some very bullish mass adoptional news. Crypto wallet was to offer BTC withdrawals to credit cards. No matter what the price is doing, we can see that the adoptional things about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space are coming to a place. So this is very good to see that the bond between fiat money through the credit cards, debit cards are starting to get involved into the crypto space. Here on this news over here, we have some sort of a friendly use case situation about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, because many people are actually have a problem with buying actually cryptocurrency, using cryptocurrency, and actually getting the cryptocurrency. What are they? So think about how big problem would be for the investors to actually buy cryptocurrency. Even I was about to give up from cryptocurrency until I didn't get known this situation, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to store cryptocurrency and stuff like that. So right now we can see that the people are focusing on solving that problem as the user-friendly environment into the crypto space, making crypto less intimidating. The team behind Lumi Wallet says it acknowledges that crypto can be intimidating for newcomers. Yeah, I just told you that. Adding that the goal is to demystify the burgeoning industry and make it accessible for everyone. This is what we want to see, because this will bring actually new investors, which are going to push the price of the Bitcoin even higher. Of course, with the halving, including also with the altcoins, with many other cryptocurrency, will surge starts once we have user-friendly environment for the newcomers. Cryptocurrency space is very young, and we still need more time and years to evolve into something bigger and more user-friendly. So no matter what the price is doing, make sure you always read our news on our Instagram page, where we are uploading pretty much daily, so you can have some positivity even so when the Bitcoin price is falling down. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like these sort of videos, or let us know in the comment section down below what would you like to watch on this channel into the next episodes. Now I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, ladies and gentlemen. As and always, until the next episode, Happy trading and goodbye.